And then fold back. Parang
hello and welcome to my first vlog. It's a beautiful Sunday and we're heading to Makati Central Square para mag-ukay-ukay. Ang bilis lang ng drive. And we're here, store number 1. Let's go. May bata. Actually, meron naman akong peg. I prepared for this. Naka-deck pa nga. But this is me and my intrusive thoughts. Always winning. Ang cute kasi. Parang isusuot ko to on a normal day. This one is very Y2K and malapit siya sa peg. This one naman, cute din. Love that little detail. Pero, hindi pa rin. So this one, mas malaki siya. Parang mas marami tayong mahanap. Ayan na naman ako nadidistract. Sobrang trendy kasi ng mga reds ngayon.
that's my jam.
Cute din ng vest na to. Pero hindi natin bibilin. Peg ko talaga yung whites. White dress or white top. Any. And then, I'll add pop of colors lang. For example, a red bandana. And then, my eyeshadow would be blue. Yun, very Y2K talaga and late 90s. Alright, let's try some clothes. Medyo pagod na ako at this point. Kaya mag-hot choco muna tayo. And we're back. Try muna tayo. I'm trying to get the groove. Kaya sukat muna ng kung ano. Sobrang love ko yung mga ganitong tops. I think I will buy some. Pwede natin magamit. And now for the main event. Zara for the win. Always. Nandito lahat ng hinahanap ko. The color, the silhouette, it's all here. I'm so excited. I think we found a winner.
Oh my god.
Okay, ito na.
Hello. Time check. It's already 11 in the evening and yung shoot ko tomorrow is 9 AM. Honestly, I'm a little bit nervous and medyo nagpapanik na tayo. I just want everything to be smooth, to run smoothly because tomorrow kasama ko si V. Shiralina. Siya lang naman yung mag-shoot. Anyway, good night guys. Maaga pa tayo bukas.
Stand ka na. Sa silid mo kayo.
Kita tayo.
Meaning towards me. Parang gusto mo kong kunin dito. Cute. And then fold back. Parang
Sigurado, oh, do tayo, baby. Sigurado, baby.